Hello out there, all creators. Have you been struggling with the new AI, with making AI prompts? Uh, you putting something in, I like to say, from my speech that I said last week, garbage in, garbage out. Have you been struggling with just that, with putting something in AI? Are you going to it like a Google search and typing one thing and one and done? Or are you setting this next step up that I'm about to go to right now in this video? Are you doing these processes? Let me know in the comments. Shout out, share, like, subscribe, comment below, and let's get into these 5 ingredients of a good, solid AI prompt. Stick around to the end. You're going to want to stick around because I got some bonus stuff for you as well after this. So let's get started. I'm showing you, I like Grok, but you can use this works on your favorite AI chat model. This works in any one of those. Let's get started. The first one, let me see if I can, I'm doing this live. I can edit here. Let's get started with my first AI prompt. First one, you're going to want to set a role. Set a role. So as I type here in real time here, can I make this bigger? Make this bigger here. All right. Set a role. And role is you are a live stream YouTuber in real time here, setting out to give massive value. Is that right? I'm going to do a shift enter because we're going to make this all one request, one entry. You can sometimes do this in like a separate text window as well. But what we're going to do, okay. But I'm just doing it right in the chat prompt right here. I'm using Grok. You can use ChatGPT. You can use Claude. You can use Gemini. You can use anything your favorite one. Use what you like. Second one, set a goal. I want to show how these 5 ingredients work for your AI prompts, anyone's AI prompts. All right. So that's 2. So far we have 1 set a role, 2 set a goal. Number 3 is set audience. Who is this going to be for? This is anyone who is struggling with inputting into AI and getting the same basic struggle output, garbage in, garbage out kind of thing. Okay. All right. So 1 role, 2 goal, 3 audience, 4, you're going to set a restriction or style or style. And this is always the hardest one for me to choose. Set style. Positive, inspirational kind of thing. Value driven style. Like this is the tone. This is I uplifting, for lack of better terms. So we're at 1 role, 2 goals, 3 audience, 4 restriction style, and then 5 set a preferred output of your output of whatever you want. How do you want to see this? Give me in the form of a YouTube description with a SEO friendly, optimized SEO description. Typing this in real time here. SEO description, metadata, title, invoking emotion with conversational style and keywords in first 55 characters of title and keywords also in first 200 characters of the description. So we have our 5 ingredients: the role. I didn't press enter yet. We have the role, the goal, audience, restriction style, preferred output. So I'm going to go and press enter with what I have here now. I'll let it process. Processing. So here we go. We have in the form of a YouTube description, and I have for this 5 AI prompt ingredients to end garbage in, garbage out forever. There's a title. That's a pretty good title there. Struggling with AI prompts that split out the same bland, useless garbage every time. You're not alone. And you're seconds away from flipping the script. So I have a description here. What you'll discover, clarity catalyst, and it'll give you all these right here. All right, so next. Now here comes for the bonus. I said what I promised you for the bonus of, after you put in your 5 ingredients to an AI prompt. The next thing I'm going to do to this, and you can say right in the same chat. See at the bottom now, you have a started chat. This is for the bonus. First, you're going to ask it to, can you analyze this output you just gave me? And just ask that. All right. This is part of the bonus. Let that go. So it's giving you a good and a thorough, giving you an analysis. Let that run. Still running, still going. And it's analyzing what I just put in. So this is gonna skyrocket your AI prompts and outputs even further with this bonus. So I'm glad you're here for the bonus. All right. So we have the analysis. So somewhere on here, before I get to the last part of this bonus, there should be suggestions. I might just have to go search for it, improve. Suggestions. Okay. Ingredient. Content. I'm just looking through. Make sure. Do you have suggestions to implement, or what works, what doesn't work? I'm not seeing it, so I'm going to put it one. This should be the first one anyway, but I'm going to do this as a middle third step here, or second, third step. What works, what doesn't work? All right. See what that says in return. And we got one more step after this. All right. So keywords, pain point, you got what works. Can you implement now? Last step. Can you implement for what doesn't work any suggestions you may have? So now it's going to take whatever it says doesn't work. It's going to implement after analyzing everything for you based on YouTube and garbage in, garbage out kind of thing. Timestamps, but that kind of doesn't make sense for timestamps, but we're going with this anyway. So like all doesn't work fixed. So what this did here now, it said no for your live and title, garbage in, garbage out, missing, no timestamps. We don't necessarily need timestamps for this live, but maybe for the video. No end screen loop, passive CDA. So it added both higher CTR. It added the first 200 characters. It added full chapters, added link, next prompt fix video, and it gamified urgency. So it did all this. So I put in my 5 ingredients. I asked it to analyze with a result of what's optimized, what's friendly, what works, what doesn't work. And then you ask it to implement those suggestions. So if you like these 5 ingredients and you like this bonus, if you like what I'm doing here, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow, like. It helps me in the algorithm. It helps me give you more of this kind of value that you like. If you like what I'm doing here, follow, subscribe to me for more. And I'll see you in the next video. And thanks for watching. Shout out, Creating Change. Hello, good morning. And this has been your 5 fire AI ingredients for more effective prompts. I'll see you in the next video.
Mistakes.